So one of the main injuries I see in golfers, especially recreational golfers, is actually elbow problems. Um, it's very common in golf to get, funnily enough, tennis elbow, which is on this side, pain into the bony bit on the lateral side of the arm, or golfer's elbow, which is on the other side. The main reason for that, weirdly, is tightness in the mid to upper back, which may sound a bit unusual, but if I can explain. When in the golf swing, which is obviously quite dynamic, the recreational golfer will tend to take the power through the arms. So by hitting the ball harder, they believe the ball's going to go further. It's not necessarily true. What you actually need, and this is one of the main differences, is you need rotation in the back. So the power shouldn't be coming through your arms. The power should be coming through the turn. And one of the problems that a lot of us have nowadays is tightness around here and around the pectorals, but into the back, which means that we're very limited in rotation. So we need to work on improving that, and we can do that by doing a dynamic warm-up before we go onto the course or onto the driving range. And by doing this, it's going to allow you to hit the ball further and also actually more accurately, because when you don't use turn and you use your arms, you tend to slice the ball to the left or right. So there's a very simple warm-up exercise that you can do. Dynamic exercises are all about preparing the body for the sport that you're about to partake in. So we need to keep moving and get the body warm. And the way to do this with rotation in the back, you can use a golf club and put it across your chest like this, or you don't need a golf club. You can just put your arms across. You get into the sort of golfer's stance, and then basically you're taking your right shoulder to your left instep, and then left shoulder to your right instep of the foot. And that is getting us rotation into the back. And then as you do that, just need to do it for 30 seconds or so, and then once you get warmer, start getting a little bit faster. And then that will actually give you more of a turn when you're actually out on the course, and therefore less power is needed in your actual arms, but because it will become far more natural, and you'll end up putting far less pressure into your elbow, therefore preventing golfers and tennis elbow injuries.